Good morning, everybody. This is Paul with PSC Landscaping and Lawn Care here in Northeast Tennessee, getting ready to do a soft washing job on one of my clients' house. And basically, a soft washing job is the water pressure comes out like a garden hose. When you use high pressure on vinyl siding or any soffits, you could potentially cause damage. Water could seep underneath the vinyl siding and get into the wood, and there's a possibility there might not be any underlayment underneath the vinyl siding. So when I do certain areas that are real tough to get to, I'll take this, I think this is, I believe, 2-gallon backpack sprayer or pump sprayer, and I'll mix 1 gallon of bleach. This one I bought through my local store, but you can also buy bleach at Walmart. I believe it's $3.59 a gallon, and you basically mix 50 water, 50 bleach, and then I use normally I use soap from a company that I'll use, and I'll put that in the link. But if you don't have that, I use this 1 ounce per gallon. Sometimes you can mix, if you're downstreaming out of your pressure washer yourself, you can do straight bleach, because you know if you're downstreaming out of your pressure washer, the water's coming through the spigot and then it's going into here, and then you drop this end into your mix, and then you put this end on your pump. So here is what I'm going to be using today to soft wash this house, and it goes around, and like I said, right around this area is going to be a tough spot because the hedges were not exactly touching it, but they're close enough where it could be hard to apply the chemical. So back to what I'm using today, and like I said, for this right here, I'm probably going to use it on that side where the shrubs are at. So like I said, 50 on the bleach, 50 on water. So if it's 2 gallons, 1 gallon of bleach, 1 gallon of water, and then 1 ounce of soap per each gallon. And here is already my premix, so you can go, it's almost 80% bleach and a little bit of water. So when I'm using this container, I usually mix it strong. I usually do like 90% bleach or 75% bleach, and then 10 to 25% water. But you put this end into your mix, and then you take this end and then you attach it to here, which this pump will siphon your chemical through your hose and all that, and then you can pressure wash the house. You may or may not be able to tell, but this house has a little bit of algae on it, as you can see there. So this will be probably the worst side. Oh, I actually think this side, and I believe the front is pretty bad. But when I do a house, first thing is, if there's shrubs, I water everything around it, shrubs, grass, and then I rinse the house, and then I apply my chemical, and I usually let the chemical sit on the house for like 5 minutes. So like in this area, shrubs, flowers, definitely I soak the area before I wash it. And then if you're gonna do gutters, I suggest, like if you're gonna try to clean the white on the gutters or the black streaks, I suggest never rinse them first. And if you're, whatever chemical you're using, you can use bleach, you can use LA's totally awesome. I just do like a 10-foot section, and then rinse, and then move on. Don't ever let it sit on that gutter for longer than 10 minutes. It'll cook it, and then you'll make things worse than what they already are. So alright, I've done one side house already. Took a little bit longer than planned because I'm making this video, but anyways, I'm I'm going to show you what I use, 3 tips I use to soft wash a house. And basically this one I use to rinse the house off first, and always electric boxes, cover them up. And as you can see, this tip is fairly wide, so it's not like it's high pressure actually even coming out. This is the one I apply the chemical with, and you can see how wide the opening is on that. And I'll go back to the first one, and you can kind of get an idea how wide that is. And then this one is for hard reach areas, and as you can see how small of an opening that is. If you got anything higher than this, I believe, I'm guessing this is probably maybe 15 feet. I'm pretty sure that blue tip will go probably 30 feet. I'm going to try to give you guys an idea of how I wash the house, so you kind of get an idea of how I do it. So the first thing is I'm going to use a pink tip, and I'm just going to rinse out. And I use kind of like a short one, and then use the pink tip, and then Alright, so kind of hard to tell, but man, as soon as I rinse the house off, or just to get the dirt and the grime off before I apply the chemical, wow, you can see the algae on it. So then you're probably wondering, like gutters and all that, I charge extra to clean because that's a lot of grunt work. But here, there's no gutters, but there, no big deal, it's hard to tell. Clean those, but I use this brush right here. You get at Home Depot, I believe, or Lowe's. Let's say that's 12 foot, and they have another one that's like, I believe, 24 feet. But like I said, when you do the gutters, do 10-foot section at a time, and then rinse. But don't rinse the gutter first. The chemical works a lot better when the gutter is hot. So now I'm going to show you how I'll be applying the chemical and then rinsing this off. And there will be a pause in this video, probably 5 minutes. This is the tip that I use to apply the chemical. You want to start from the bottom and up. When you rinse, you want to rinse from the top down. Basically, when you apply the chemical bottom up, you look at the street. as you can see, it is working. Might hit it one more time with my little sprayer because the mix is a little bit stronger. So, and like I said, I didn't cover the box up. I'm gonna brush around this and just let the chemical do the work. Lightly rinse, probably from like back here a little bit more. So, like I said, make sure you cover the electrical boxes. to show you the whole process of this rinse, but I gotta go back and hit it anyways. But I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I know, like I said, be patient with me. Hopefully this helps you out, makes you laugh, or like just shake your head. But thanks once again, Paul with PSC Landscape here in Northeast Tennessee. I need to hurry and finish this up so I can go finish the mulch truck. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and everyone, this probably won't be out by Sunday, but happy Father's Day.